Today we're tackling a crucial topic that's affecting more and more people around the globe: kidney health. Kidney-related problems, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, are on the rise. This uptick is concerning because it means more folks are needing treatments like dialysis to remove harmful wastes and extra fluid from their blood. This not only disrupts everyday life, but also puts a strain on our health systems. A lot of this increase is due to poor diets, inactive lifestyles, and more common cases of diabetes and hypertension. But here's some hopeful news. There's a growing interest in natural ways to boost kidney function and ward off serious issues like CKD. Among the promising options, certain foods stand out for their incredible kidney cleansing abilities. These foods are packed with vital vitamins, powerful antioxidants, and essential nutrients that help cleanse toxins, reduce inflammation, and support urinary tract health. This not only helps your kidneys do their job better, but could also lessen your chances of needing dialysis. In this video, we're excited to share with you the top 3 foods known for their superb kidney detox abilities. Not only are these foods delicious, but they're also loaded with benefits that are great for your kidneys. We're here to show you how these foods can be a tasty part of your diet and help keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. Studies upon studies have underscored the positive effects these foods have on kidney health, from lowering the risk of developing kidney stones to enhancing urinary tract function and flushing out toxins. The advantages are impressive, and it's not just the scientists who say so. Many people have shared their stories of how these foods have markedly improved their kidney health. Together, these scientific findings and personal success stories build a strong case for making these foods a regular part of your diet. By doing so, you're taking a powerful natural step toward supporting your kidney health and steering clear of dialysis. So, if you're ready to learn about these amazing foods and how they can help your kidneys, stick around. We're about to dive into some delicious details that could make a big difference in your health. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more health tips like this one. Kidneys are vital organs that keep us healthy by filtering waste and extra fluid from our blood, which we then get rid of through urine. These bean-shaped organs sit on either side of the spine, right below the rib cage. They're not only masters at maintaining our body's electrolyte balance and blood pressure, but also play a key role in regulating our internal environment by managing acid-base balance. Kidneys even produce crucial hormones that help control blood pressure, make red blood cells, and ensure our bones stay strong. Yet, kidneys can be vulnerable to several common health issues. Chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension are top culprits of kidney damage. In people with diabetes, high blood sugar levels can harm the small blood vessels in the kidneys, hampering their waste-filtering functions. High blood pressure can also damage kidneys over time by causing the arteries around them to narrow, weaken, or harden, reducing blood flow. Other threats include urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and prolonged use of certain medications harmful to kidney tissues. Moreover, unhealthy lifestyle choices like poor diets, inactive lifestyles, and smoking further contribute to kidney health decline. It's critical to recognize these risks and take steps to safeguard kidney function, stressing the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and steering clear of harmful substances. Detoxifying the kidneys involves clearing out toxins and waste that can accumulate, ensuring they can efficiently filter blood, regulate body fluids, balance electrolytes, and produce vital hormones. Without regular detoxification, toxins may build up, impairing kidney function and heightening the risk of conditions like chronic kidney disease or kidney stones. Some foods are especially beneficial for kidney detox because of their high antioxidant, vitamin, and essential compound content. These foods support kidney health by flushing out toxins, reducing inflammation, and enhancing urinary tract health. For example, certain foods have natural diuretic properties that increase urine production to more effectively eliminate toxins, while others are rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. Now, as we delve deeper, let's explore how our dietary choices significantly impact kidney health. The foods we eat can either support or undermine kidney function. Opting for nutrient-rich foods and limiting harmful substances is vital for keeping our kidneys healthy. Among the beneficial dietary choices, specific foods have shown powerful detoxifying effects. By understanding and integrating these foods into your daily eating habits, you can actively enhance your kidney health and fend off potential problems. Let's kick things off with our first superstar food for kidney detoxification: cranberries. These small, tart berries pack a hefty nutritional punch and are beloved for their health-boosting qualities. Loaded with vitamins C, E, and K, dietary fiber, and a plethora of antioxidants, cranberries don't just support kidney health, they enhance your overall well-being. Cranberries contain special compounds like proanthocyanidins and quinic acid, which are particularly beneficial for the kidneys. Proanthocyanidins are powerful antioxidants that prevent harmful bacteria from clinging to the walls of the urinary tract. This action is crucial in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if recurrent, can lead to more severe kidney issues. Moreover, the antioxidants in cranberries combat free radicals and reduce inflammation, aiding the kidneys in their essential detoxification role. There's robust scientific backing for the benefits of cranberries on kidney health. For instance, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that regular consumption of cranberry products significantly lowers the incidence of UTIs. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is both simple and tasty. You can sprinkle fresh or dried cranberries in salads for a zesty flavor kick, or blend them into smoothies and juices. If you opt for cranberry juice, choose the unsweetened variety to minimize sugar intake. By making cranberries a regular part of your diet, you can tap into their incredible benefits to boost your kidney health and overall vitality. Sliding into number 2 on our list is watermelon, a food that's as refreshing as it is beneficial for your health. Packed with water, about 90% of its weight, watermelon isn't just your perfect pick for those scorching summer days, but also a nutrient powerhouse. The key to watermelon's benefits for the kidneys lies in its impressive hydration capabilities. Staying hydrated is essential for your kidneys to function properly, as they need enough fluids to flush out toxins and waste sufficiently. Watermelon also acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and further supporting the detox process. The antioxidants in watermelon, especially lycopene, protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage, which can lead to chronic kidney disease and other complications. Scientific studies back up the health benefits of watermelon, particularly its detoxifying effects. For example, a study published in the Journal of Food and Nutrition Research noted that consuming watermelon improves hydration and supports renal function. Adding watermelon to your diet is both easy and delightful. You can enjoy fresh slices, smoothies, or salads with watermelon cubes for a burst of sweetness. By including these kidney-friendly foods in your diet, you can naturally support your kidney health and lower the risk of serious conditions. So, if you're ready to learn more about these amazing foods, stick around. We're just getting started. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.